The Lego Monkey Kid is such an underrated theme. With the mythical creature Quailin set, you're gonna get the little clouds and some pigmen. The detail on the set is impeccable. For $69.99, you're gonna get 791 pieces. And all those pieces combine to make this one luxurious set. You cannot tell me the playability of the set will not go hard. You cannot tell me you always wanted a little guy riding a cloud in your sets. You cannot tell me you didn't want this blue cat ever since you just found out about it right now. The reds, the golds, the blues, this is a perfect set for 2025. 5 minifigures and a cat? I don't know what more you would want. If there's any other sets you want me to talk about, you let me know. Follow me.